Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sharifa, and in today's video I stayed home. It was my day off, so we're gonna make errands with me, cooking and everything. So I started off by cooking, so by the time I finish everything will be ready. Guys, I'm cooking. I'm trying to prepare some small dinner, and it is chicken with Irish potato, plantain, and sweet potato. Yeah, it is an African dish that I decided to make for today. I'm recording live and I'm still having some great time alone. Yeah, I'm trying to move my camera to where I'm going to be doing cutting my vegetables for my meal. I'll be adding the peanut butter, so it's like a mix of everything. So go ahead guys and clean up my veggies. Get my cutting board, and I got some tomatoes, carrots, capsicum, and everything. Guys, don't forget to like this video, please. Click on the like button and subscribe as well. Leave a comment. Don't forget to comment. While watching, you can leave a nice comment. Guys, make sure your kitchen is clean as possible, because you know, if it is untidy, it looks not good. So I always make sure while I'm cooking I need to wipe any water. I don't want any mess around. Trying to get some things I'm going to use. Peace. So guys, I'll check on my chicken and see if it's ready. It's almost ready, so I'm gonna get the blender. It's quite heavy, so this is my blender guys, and I will take it out. Peanut butter, I got it from Lolo hypermarket, and I will try to mix it with water. After adding my water, I will add my peanut butter and blend it very well. You can as well eat it because it should be actually for eating but not for cooking, but I like it this way. It's really sweet and crunchy. Quite hot and I didn't use it just now. So I will transfer this in my container because I only have 2 pans. So yeah, I will try to use the same pan and cook this peanut butter. Guys, I'll cut my vegetables because I'm going to add them in my meal so it tastes nice. I'll put the rest of the veggies in the chiller. So guys, this is how the peanut butter looks like. It's so thick, so I just added some water to make it a little bit less thick. It's quite night after. It's already night, and I'll just close my window also. So proceed with my cooking. Trying to cut like a pro. Professional chair, but I will just curl my fingers. So guys, I'll add these vegetables in my peanut butter. I was making sweet potato, Irish potato, and plantain. So I will just take out the sweet potato because I think it's I think it's ready. Yeah, it's so soft. I don't want it to soak in the water. Transfer the peanut butter into the remaining plantain and the Irish potato and mix it together. Meanwhile, I'll just continue running my errands, folding my clothes, and yeah. moving forward, I will just prepare everything inside my